Welcome back! In this tutorial we'll be looking at how to create and edit a clicker board. Clicker board provides learners with a built-in planning and mind mapping tool to help them prepare their writing. Children can write and link ideas, as well as add pictures and sounds. Clicker board is also a valuable whole class teaching tool. Let's look at how to create your own clicker board. First, go to the Clicker Set ribbon and click New. Then select the Planning Boards tab. Here you can see that there are lots of templates to choose from, but we're going to start with a blank clicker board. To add objects to the board, click here. We drag cells onto the board and then double-click to add text to the cell. We're going to create mind maps about different climate zones. This first board will focus on deserts. If we double-click on the board, another cell is automatically created. We'll add a characteristic of a desert climate. We can link these cells with a line by dragging the round handle. A quick way to create another linked cell is to just drag out from a round handle onto the board. We'll add a few more characteristics of a desert to the mind map. To resize a cell, drag the square handles. To make changes to the appearance of a cell, first select the cell, then click here to change the shape of the cell. We can add a picture to the cell by clicking here. When we browse for pictures, it uses the text in the cell to search. And change the colour of the cell here. If we want to make changes to more than one cell at the same time, we can select multiple cells by holding Ctrl while clicking them. Then we can move them around or resize them, or change their colour, or change the cell shape. We add a voice note to the board from here so that children can record information about their mind map as well. Double-click the voice note to record. A clicker board can have multiple tabs. In this case, we might want to have another tab for a different climate zone. First, we'll double-click here to name this tab. And then we'll use this to create an additional tab and we'll name it. On the new Polar tab, we'll quickly make a mind map. Let's imagine that we have now completed both of our mind maps. Learners can then use the mind maps to help them write about different climates. They can always use the tabs at the bottom to move between the document and the clicker board. But using this, we can export the mind maps in different ways. We can export them as graphics, send them to the document as a diagram, or as simply text. But we'll create a word bank from them to give our learners additional writing support. A word bank is created that reflects the tabs of the clicker board, and any pictures are also included. To save the clicker board, go to the Clicker Set ribbon and click Save. Be sure to visit Learning Grids for dozens of free, ready-made clicker boards that you can use and edit for your learners. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more clicker features.